Welcome everyone to the Learn English channel. We hope you have a fun and enriching time learning with us. Please don't hesitate to share your feedback and suggestions so we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching. Shero, right? Hi, Jax. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. When is the party?
The party is on Saturday night.
What time does it start?
It starts at 6 p.m. sharp.
Where will the party be?
It's at my house, in the garden.
That sounds fun. Will there be food?
Yes, I will prepare some snacks.
What kind of snacks will you have?
I will have chips and dip.
Great! I love chips and dip.
I will also make some sandwiches.
Good. What drinks will you serve?
I will have soda and juice.
That sounds good. Any cake too?
Yes, I ordered a chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
I know. That's why I chose it.
Who else is coming to the party?
Many friends will come, like Lisa.
Oh, I like Lisa. She is fun.
Yes, she is. What about Sarah?
Yes, Sarah will come too.
I hope everyone has a good time.
Me too. Should I bring something?
You can bring some drinks if you like.
Sure. I can bring lemonade.
That would be perfect. Thank you.
What games will we play?
We can play musical chairs and charades.
I love musical chairs. It's exciting.
Yes. We will have a lot of fun.
Will there be music at the party?
Yes, I will play some pop music.
Great. I love dancing to pop music.
We can dance after eating.
Sounds like a plan. I can't wait.
Do you want to help me decorate?
Of course. I love decorating for parties.
We can use balloons and streamers.
Yes. Balloons make everything festive.
What color should we use?
How about blue and pink?
I like those colors. Good choice.
Should we put up a banner?
Yes, a happy birthday banner.
I can make one at home.
That would be awesome. Thank you.
What about party hats?
Yes. We need party hats too.
I can bring some colorful hats.
Perfect. That will be fun.
How many people are invited?
About 10 friends are invited.
That's a nice number for a party.
Yes, not too big or too small.
Will there be a birthday song?
Yes. We will sing for the birthday girl.
I can't wait to sing.
It will be a special moment.
What if it rains on Saturday?
We can move inside if it rains.
Good idea. We can still have fun.
Yes. The party will be great.
I'm so happy to celebrate together.
Me too. It will be memorable.
Are you nervous about the party?
A little, but I'm also excited.
You will do great. Don't worry.
Thank you. Your support helps me.
I can't wait to see everyone.
Yes. Let's make it a wonderful night.
I will see you on Saturday.
See you? I'm counting the days.
Bye, Anna. Take care.
Bye, Jax. See you soon.
Oh, wait. I almost forgot. What should I wear to the party?
Wear something comfortable and fun.
I have a cute dress for it.
That sounds perfect for the party.
Should I bring my camera?
Yes. We need to take photos.
I will take lots of pictures.
Great. I want to capture memories.
What time should I arrive?
Come by 5:30 p.m., please.
I will be there on time.
Awesome. I can't wait to see you.
Do you need help with anything else?
Maybe help me set the table.
Sure. I can help with that.
Thank you. You are a great friend.
I'm excited to celebrate together.
It will be a night to remember.
Yes. Let's make it special for everyone.
I will prepare some fun surprises.
Oh, surprises are always exciting.
I hope everyone enjoys the surprises.
I'm sure they will. You planned well.
Thank you. I want everyone happy.
You're doing a great job.
I appreciate your help and support.
I'm happy to help you, Anna.
Let's make this birthday unforgettable.
Yes, I can't wait for Saturday.